It might surprise you to know that the best mortgage loan does not necessarily have the lowest interest rate or even the lowest APR. There are some sections of a loan estimate that you're going to want to pay attention to when you're shopping your loan. I'm Rebecca. I'm a mortgage lender that shows people how to buy a home like a pro, so be sure to subscribe to learn everything you need to know about buying a home and real estate. When you are looking at a mortgage quote, you'll want to make sure that you pay attention to these 5 sections of that estimate. There is a standard form that lenders have to use when we are quoting a mortgage loan, meaning we have collected at least 6 pieces of information that designate a mortgage application, and then it is time to send you an estimate. That document is called a loan estimate and has 3 main pages. On that loan estimate, the first thing that you're going to want to pay attention to is the interest rate. Make sure that you're checking to see if that is a rate that has been locked or not, because rates can change daily. The second thing on the first page of the estimate that you're going to want to pay attention to is going to be mortgage insurance. If your loan has mortgage insurance, which can change a little bit lender to lender if it's a conventional loan, you'll want to make sure the rate that is being quoted for that mortgage insurance. If you have a loan like FHA or USDA, then that's going to be a standard mortgage insurance rate. The third section you'll want to pay attention to is box A, which are going to be lender fees and any discount points. Lender fees are going to be things like processing fees, underwriting fee, commitment fee. Those are fees that the lender is charging for their operational costs of originating your loan. In addition to that, you may see discount points. Discount points are additional closing costs paid to lower your interest rate. Now, it might not always make sense to pay discount points, and that's very much a personal decision to discuss with your loan officer. One, what it will cost, what you'll save in the interest rate, and how long it will take you to recoup those funds. The second section that you'll want to pay attention to are services you cannot shop for. Those are going to be things like the credit report, flood certification, the appraisal, and some additional scans that a lender may do on your loan. Keep in mind that these can vary a little bit lender to lender, but because they are standard industry services, the costs are going to be pretty much the same. Lastly, what you'll want to pay attention to are any lender credits. And that is going to be a credit that the lender is giving you based off of your interest rate or loan program. At the end of the day, what you'll want to pay attention to are these 5 sections: the interest rate, mortgage insurance, lender fees and discount points, services you cannot shop for, and then lender credits. Outside of that, the things that you'll want to pay attention to, like title fees or attorney fees, recording fees, as well as homeowners insurance and property taxes, are really going to be the same regardless of the lender that you choose. So make sure that you take the 5 areas that I've pointed out and compare those side by side to know the real deal on what you're looking for as far as what a loan would cost. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the home buying process in general, and specifically when you're looking at all of these numbers. But taking the time to truly compare apples to apples, it can save you thousands. When you're getting quotes, and I recommend at least getting 2, make sure that you are getting them on the same day. Interest rates can vary a lot day to day, so you'll want to make sure that you're getting the quote based off of the same criteria. Lastly, the lender that you choose may not be the cheapest. You'll want to pay attention to not just what that mortgage is going to cost you, but also who will see you through from start to finish. The mortgage process is a very complex one, so you want to ensure that you are choosing a lender who you feel like provides the level of professionalism, communication, and accountability that you need to feel safe moving into a contract on a home, putting your money on the line, knowing that that lender is going to be able to see you through to final approval. So be sure to subscribe to learn everything you need to know about a mortgage, and chime in with any questions that you have.